Question 27, this is from polynomials. If the zeros of the polynomial x square plus px plus q are double in value to the zeros of this polynomial, 2x square minus 5x minus 3, then find the values of p and q. So we'll start with what we have numbers for, right? 2x square minus 5x minus 3 is a polynomial given to us. Let's say the zeros of this polynomial are alpha and beta, are the zeros of this polynomial. Now, by polynomial coefficient rule, we know that sum of the zeros, alpha plus beta, is equal to minus b by a, which is minus of minus 5 divided by 2, which is equal to 5 by 2. Alpha beta, the product of the zeros, is equal to c by a, which in our case is equal to minus 3 divided by 2. What is said about this polynomial? The zeros of this polynomial, x square plus px plus q, are double the values of the zeros of the second one, of the second polynomial given to us. So the zeros of polynomial x square plus px plus q essentially are 2 alpha comma 2 beta. So the sum of the zeros in this case, which is 2 alpha plus 2 beta, is equal to 2 times of alpha plus beta, which according to the coefficient is equal to minus p by 1, which is equal to minus p. Do we know the value of alpha plus beta? Yes, alpha plus beta is equal to 5 by 2 is what we get. So let's substitute that here. 2 times 5 by 2 is equal to minus p. Minus p is equal to 5, or p is equal to minus 5. So found out the value of p. Let's find out the value of q. Essentially, we know that the product of the zeros is equal to 2 times alpha times 2 times beta, because the zeros are basically 2 alpha 2 beta, which is a c by a, which in our case is going to be equal to q by 1, which is equal to q. This translates to 4 alpha beta is equal to q. Do we know the value of alpha beta? Yes, we have the value of alpha beta to be equal to minus 3 by 2. Plug that in here. So 4 times minus 3 by 2 is the value of q. Cancels out as a 2. 2 times minus 3 is equal to minus 6. So what's the value of p? P is equal to minus 5. What's the value of q? Q is equal to minus 6.
Before you leave, I want you to do two things. One, sign up at online.maxtute.com to get started with CBSE Class 10 Math online tuitions. It takes all of 5 minutes and less than 3 steps to get started. So get it done today. And second thing, I want you to subscribe to this channel if you already haven't, and turn on notifications so that you get notified every time a new video is uploaded. And also, spread the word about this channel to your friends and classmates.